So I'm going to show you how to pin and unpin apps on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. So basically when you pin an app, that's the only app that can be used on that tablet without a password. So you can use this when you want to maybe give your child to play a game, or maybe you want to give a friend to see something and you don't want them snooping around on your other stuff. You can pin an app. So to do that, the first thing you need to do is go into settings, and then under settings, go to security and privacy, tap on that, and then go to more security settings, tap on that, and then you will see the option to allow apps to be pinned. So make sure you enable that first. Now with that enabled, whenever you want to pin an app, let's say for instance you want to pin a game like this one, okay? So open that game or that app, and then you want to go into multitasking mode. And inside multitasking mode, tap on the app icon, and then you should see the option pin this app. So select that, and that app is gonna get pinned. Okay, tap OK. That app is pinned. You can see that's the only app that's working on the device at the moment. Okay, so you cannot interact with any other app, you cannot see notifications, and if you cannot even quit the app. You can see when I tap on the home screen, nothing happens. On the back button, nothing happens. That's basically how to, you can see. Okay, so to unpin an app, simply press and hold the multitasking and the back button, and then it's going to ask for a password. And then once you enter the correct password, that app is going to get unpinned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.